You probably have hundreds of messy, unorganized notes on your phone right now, and you still can't find that one brilliant idea you wrote down last week. If you click this video, you are ready to finally build a digital notebook that actually works. But right now, you probably think Obsidian is a heavy, complicated piece of software that you have to study and learn how to use. It's not. Obsidian is literally just a normal folder on your computer. If you know how to right-click and create a folder on your desktop, you already know how to use Obsidian. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Step 1 is getting the app. Just head over to Obsidian's website and click the big download button. It is completely free. Once you open it, you will see a welcome screen asking you to open a vault. Again, vault is just a fancy word for a folder. To set yours up, just click the create button right here. Give your notebook a name. I'll call mine, My Brain. And then click browse to tell Obsidian where to save it. I am just going to select that folder we created on the desktop. Then, click create. And that's it. You are officially set up. No accounts to make, no passwords to remember, and your notes live safely on your own computer. But a normal notebook is boring. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you a magic trick that turns this basic setup into a literal second brain that organizes itself. To start writing, look at the top left corner and click this little square icon with a pencil. This creates a new note. Click at the top to give it a title, and then just click down below to start typing. It works exactly like a basic Word document. Now, I'm going to show you the one magic trick that makes Obsidian better than everything else. In normal apps, you drag notes into folders. Here, we just connect them. Next to any word, if you hit the bracket key twice on your keyboard, Obsidian turns that word into a link. Click that link, and it instantly creates a brand new page for that topic. You never have to go digging through folders again. You just jump from link to link. If you click this little dot icon on the left side, you can see your graph view. Obsidian automatically draws a map of these links for you, building a web of your thoughts completely in the background. This right here is why Obsidian beats every other app. You aren't just making a list of notes anymore. You are building a visual map of your mind. Right now, it looks a little plain. Let's make it look beautiful. Go down to the bottom left corner and click the little gear icon to open your settings. On the left menu, click Appearance. And then over here on the right, click Manages next to Themes. This opens a free store of gorgeous designs made by other users. Just scroll until you see one you like, click Install and Use, and watch your entire notebook transform instantly. With a few clicks, you have a premium, gorgeous digital notebook that completely organizes itself. So now you have a completely safe, beautiful, and connected notebook set up on your computer. But if you want to take your productivity to the absolute next level, you need to start automating your workflows. It sounds complicated, but I promise it's not. Click this video right here on the screen. N8N Tutorial for Beginners. It's easier than you think 2026. And I will show you exactly how to set up your very first automation in just a few minutes. Click right there, and I'll see you in that video.